Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. My Amla mask starts with a half a cup of organic Amla powder and a half a cup of water. Combine those two ingredients, then add 1 tablespoon of agave nectar, or you can add honey. For high porosity people like me, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. If you're low porosity, you can add half a tablespoon. Then 1.5 tablespoons of melted shea butter. Everything will mix well, but if you want a thicker hair mask, just add more amla. So I'm going in on day 8 here. Last week I did my full shampoo routine. This week is just my deep condition routine. I only shampoo my hair basically every 2 weeks or once a month. I did have a scalp issue. My dermatologist did help. So now pretty much my scalp is back in good effect. So for me to build up my natural oils, it takes a little bit longer than most. So I only shampoo my hair basically every 2 weeks or once a month. I hope that makes sense. So to get my hair wet, I'm not just using regular water. I'm using my onion juice. That recipe will be linked up top and in the description box below. We're just gonna get a close-up on the hair and in the back. It's still very much defined. It is still very much defined, like you can see that, right? The scalp is good, like definition is good. But every week I'm going to do my hair. So I'm going to section my hair because I know I'm talking too much. I'm going to spray the onion juice and then I'm going to apply the Amla Deep Conditioning Mask. And it's always good to use a nozzle bottle. I always smooth the product into my roots first, then work it down my hair. The mask is protein-free and perfect for all hair types, all curl patterns, if you're natural, relaxed, or transitioning, even if you have short, medium, or long hair. Anybody can use it. It is safe. If you know about Ayurvedic herbs, then you know about the major benefits of Amla. It is definitely in the top list for many naturals. It strengthens my scalp and hair, it reduces my hair loss, it helps with my dandruff and my dry scalp, and also it helps with my hair growth. Ask anybody about Amla, their top reasons for using it is for hair growth. The shea butter has vitamins A and E and essential fatty acids to help moisturize and add shine to my hair. I also love that it will not clog my pores, so I feel good when I apply it to my scalp. The agave nectar will help with hydration because it retains water, helping me to prevent dry hair. The apple cider vinegar, of course, it balances out my hair and scalp pH. It flattens and seals my cuticles. My hair after rinsing out the mask will always come out smooth, less frizzy, and shiny. So this definitely helps me keep that natural shine I always have on my hair. You can use this as a deep conditioning mask after you shampoo or as a pre-poo before you shampoo. So let's say you had an extensions, a wig, for a long period of time and your hair is super dry. You never want to go in directly with a shampoo. So apply this mask, then shampoo, and you should definitely experience less shedding, less tangle, and your hair should be much more softer. When I'm done applying the mask, I sit with my hair uncovered to air dry for 90 to 2 hours. If you're low porosity, you can use a plastic cap or hooded dryer to apply heat. Whether I use this mask or another, Amla is a huge part of my hair care regimen. I use the ingredient at least every 2 weeks or every month, whether it be in an oil, a hair juice, hair mask. Amla is a major part of my regimen. I've been using it now for over 3 to 4 years now. So after rinsing out the hair mask, I proceed with styling using the LOG method, which is leave-in, oil, and gel. For my leave-in, it's always my DIY leave-in conditioner That recipe will be tagged in the video and mentioned in the description box below. Then the oil is Jamaican black castor oil. And for the gel, it's usually a botanical gel. It could be aloe vera gel or kinky curly curling custard. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video.